The number of rows or columns in a matrix equal, then the matrix is known as square matrix. That is M equal to N, means number of rows equal to number of columns. ठीक है जी. For example, what are the types of matrices? Here we have a matrix A equal to 1, minus 1, 2, 4. This is a matrix of order 2 by 2. देखो number of rows means M equal to N is here, so the matrix is known as square matrix. Similarly, we have a 3 by 3 matrix. It has 3 rows and 3 columns, so it is a square matrix of order 3 by 3. Now we comes to the trace of a matrix. What does it mean? The sum of diagonal elements of a square matrix is known as trace of matrix. Is known as trace of a matrix. Let me wait. Now, for example, how we can find the trace of a matrix? Let we have a matrix 1, 2, 5, 9. So terrace of A is equal to, this is known as the, अब हम इनका क्या करेंगे, सम कर देंगे. तो 1 plus 9 is equal to 10. तो terrace of matrix becomes 10. Let me explain one thing more in this square matrix. That is, here this is known as main diagonal, principal diagonal, or this is known as off diagonal. Now we come to the next part. I hope this is very clear to you. What is terrace of matrix, what is square of what is diagonal value, principal or main diagonal element, what is the main diagonal or principal diagonal in the square matrix, and what is off diagonal in the principal square matrix. Now we come to the another part, that is rectangular matrix. A matrix in which number of rows is not equal to number of columns is known as rectangular matrix. For example, any matrix which is not square, you can say that it is a rectangular. That is A. Let we have a matrix A 2 3 5 6 1 7 minus 1 and 7. It is a matrix of order 2 by 3. Let us see that number of rows कितनी है आपके पास 2, which is not equal to number of columns 3. So it is a rectangular matrix. Now we come to the another portion. Now we come to the diagonal matrix. This is another type of matrix, that is diagonal matrix. A square matrix is said to be a diagonal matrix if all its non-zero elements are 0. A square matrix is said to be a diagonal matrix if all its non-zero elements, if all its non-diagonal, sorry, so let me so rather than I have to write here non-diagonal elements are 0. For example, let be a matrix of order 2 by 2. It is a matrix, square matrix of order 2 by 2 in which, except the diagonal, rest of the elements are 0. These are the diagonal elements. Except the diagonal elements, हमने लिखा है matrix is said to be a diagonal matrix if all its non-diagonal elements. Non-diagonal क्या हो गए? ये आपका non-diagonal element है, ये भी आपका non-diagonal element है. They are all zeros, but the diagonal elements are any numbers except 0. It can also be written as this matrix can also be written as this. Now you can say that in a diagonal matrix, in a diagonal matrix A ij equal to 0 where I is not equal to j. Now what is the mean? This is our element. हमने कहा कि वहां I और J, I is not equal to J. Here I represents row and J represent column. So 1 2 must be 0. मतलब फर्स्ट रो सेकंड कॉलम 0 है आपका, देखिए. देन सेकंड रो फर्स्ट एलिमेंट वो भी 0 है. नाउ A11 जहां पे दोनों इक्वल हैं, फर्स्ट रो फर्स्ट कॉलम, there is an element. Similarly A22 here is an element. Now I think it's clear that what is scalar, what is diagonal matrix. Now we come to the scalar matrix. Square matrix is called a scalar matrix if all its non-diagonal elements are 0 and all diagonal elements are equal. A square matrix is called a scalar matrix if all its non-diagonal elements are 0 and all diagonal elements are equal. Let we have a matrix A 5 0 0 5. Now first check it is a diagonal matrix, because except the diagonal elements all the elements are zeros. Well, here is the, this is your diagonal, except diagonal rest of the elements are zeros. Now the both the elements this and this are same, so it is a scalar. So we can say that every scalar matrix is a diagonal matrix, but every diagonal matrix is not scalar. So we can say every scalar matrix is a diagonal matrix, but every diagonal matrix is not a scalar one. Now let's take 1 0 0 minus 6. Here this is a diagonal matrix but not scalar. Why this is not scalar? Because both the elements are not equal. So I think you can now easily understand the difference between scalar matrix and the diagonal matrix. Now we shall move to the another type of matrix, that is unit matrix, or sometimes it is known as identity matrix. A square matrix is said to be a unit matrix if all its elements non-diagonal elements are 0 and all diagonal elements unity means 1. Is unit matrix. A square matrix is said to be a unit matrix if all its non-diagonal elements 0 होंगे but diagonal elements क्या होंगे 1 होगा. Suppose it is always represented by I, so 1 0 0 1, this is a 2 by 2 identity matrix. It can also be written as clear, or sometimes some books will represent it like this. So this is merely a representation, it doesn't mean anything, but the main thing is here the elements are same and must be unity. Now in the matrix we already did, that is scalar matrix. स्केलर मैट्रिक्स में और आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स में बेसिक डिफरेंस यही रहेगा, स्केलर मैट्रिक्स में डायगोनल एलिमेंट्स सेम होंगे बट आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स में एलिमेंट्स सिर्फ 1 1 होगा और कुछ नहीं होगा, इसके अलावा कोई भी एलिमेंट नहीं आएगा. नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट पार्ट. Upper triangular matrix. A square matrix is said to be upper triangular matrix if all its elements below the principal diagonal are 0. Suppose let's take an example. Here we have a 3 by 3 matrix. Now look into this is your main diagonal, and as per the definition, a square matrix is said to be an upper triangular if all its elements below the principal diagonal के नीचे जितने एलिमेंट हैं वो सारे जीरो हैं, that is why it is known as upper triangular. And similarly there is another matrix known as lower triangular, उसमें क्या होगा, इसका रिवर्स हो जाएगा. So let's come to the lower triangular matrix. A square matrix is said to be a lower triangular matrix if all its elements above the principal diagonal are zero. For example, here is a matrix A of order 3 by 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here is 0, 0 and 0. Now look into the figure. This is your principal diagonal elements, and above all the elements above the principal diagonal are zeros. These are the zero elements. But here are the elements. दोनों में उल्टा है. अपर में डायगोनल के नीचे वाला पार्ट जीरो होगा और लोअर में डायगोनल के अपर वाला पार्ट जीरो होगा. हाँ जी बेटे.